I often travel alone and have no one else to film me, and that's why I always bring the Insta360 One X3 on all my solo travels. It's a perfect camera to film yourself. It just looks like you're filming yourself with a drone. And today I'm going to show you all the tricks to get the best results. The best way to film with that camera is to use the invisible selfie stick. It's so easy to mount. You just screw it on and extend the selfie stick. And as it is a 360 camera, it just films in all directions. That means you can zoom out and reframe it afterwards. In between those two lenses there's a little gap and the selfie stick will be edited out automatically. I found this shipwreck in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Then I realized it might be possible to jump down from this palm tree. Of course, I checked the depths of the water underneath and I was a little nervous. I really didn't want to fall down. And I walked over it and just jumped down straight. And then I had to do it again and try a backflip. I sent this shot to some friends afterwards and they asked me if it was filmed with a drone, and it was actually just holding the selfie stick and the Insta360, so it was the best way to film it. Sorry for these wave noises, I'm sitting on a palm tree, I hope you can understand me. But let's just dive into the settings I use to get the best results. Usually I film in 5.7K and 30 FPS, but this time we want to have 60 FPS just to use the slow motion. If you slide it over here, you can see the other settings. I have the colors on standard, the rest is auto. Only the IV I set to -0.5, just that it does not overexpose. And then we only have to press record. Another great way to mount the camera is using the bite mount. It makes the viewer feel like she is in the moment and it just makes it really interesting to watch. Just put the camera in your mouth and then you can stand up and jump in the hotel pool or do whatever you want to do. I found this really beautiful location here and I want to do some shots with a stand-up paddleboard. For this I'm using the invisible selfie stick again, and as we don't need any slow motion I will just set the resolution to 5.7K and 30 FPS just to get the maximum quality. The water was just so blue and then these waves smashed into the island next to me. It was a little bit scary, but I managed to not fall down and I'm really proud of that. Now we just have to get all these incredible shots on the phone. We just open the Insta360 app, then we download the clip from the camera. First we trim the video, we select only the part we want to use. That's this one, and we save it. Now we can just zoom in and out, and if we found our position, we set a keyframe here. And then we move to the next position and reframe it again. And then set another keyframe and it will automatically move between those two keyframes and ease it. Now we just have to press export and export it to our phone and we can instantly upload it to social media or do whatever we want. You can also reframe it using your computer. It's a little bit more complicated. You just download the Insta360 Studio app or you use Premiere or Final Cut and use FX Reframe. This is pretty much it, how I can get all these amazing shots. I hope you could learn something and thanks for watching. Really don't know why I always have to climb onto palm trees. So hard to get down.